Looking for the best turntables to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 1. Pro-Ject Debut Carbon Evo. If you're ready to transform your music listening habits from mundane to magical, the Pro-Ject Debut Carbon Evo turntable is your ticket to a sonic adventure. This isn't just any turntable. It's a beautifully crafted machine that turns your vinyl collection into an immersive auditory experience that practically caresses your eardrums. With a sleek carbon fiber tone arm and a high-quality Audio-Technica cartridge, you'll hear details in your favorite tracks that you never knew existed. It's time to ditch the average sound of your old rig. The Debut Carbon Evo throws rich tones your way that make every spin feel like a live concert. And let's talk aesthetics. This turntable isn't just about performance. It's a showstopper for your living space. With its innovative motor design and adjustable feet, it performs flawlessly while complementing your style. Plus, switching between speeds is as easy as switching radio stations. No fuss, plenty of fun. Choose between the Audio-Technica 2M Red or Sumo Rainer cartridges to get the sound profile that speaks to your soul. And with a selection of stunning finishes, it'll be the centerpiece of your audio setup. Because let's face it, your music deserves to look as good as it sounds. The Pro-Ject Debut Carbon Evo is a worthy investment because when it comes to sound quality, your ears deserve the best. Dive into the rich world of vinyl and let your musical journey flourish like never before. Whoa! We made it! That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best turntables. Number 2. Audio-Technica AT-LP120XUSB-BK. If you've ever looked at your vinyl collection and thought it deserved more than just dusty nostalgia, the Audio-Technica AT-LP120XUSB-BK is here to rescue those beautiful records from the dark ages of your closet. This isn't just any turntable. It's your ticket to high-fidelity sound that'll make your friends wonder if you've secretly moved to a hipster commune. With a direct-drive DC servo motor that hits 33, 45, and a retro-cool 78 revolutions per minute, this baby takes the fuss out of spinning those records. Its damped bass construction ensures those low-frequency vibes are all yours without the extra rumble. Plus, with adjustable anti-cave control, it's like giving your records a gentle hug while they whirl around. Convert your vinyl gems into digital files. Because why not let the digital world in on your vinyl obsession? Just grab the free Audacity software and voila, you're ready to share your tunes. And don't get us started on the included goodies. A USB cable, Radio Corporation of America output cable, AC adapter, and even a counteroo, all topped off with a sleek black design that screams sophistication. So set the scene, drop that needle, and let the rich tones take you on a sonic journey. Your record's called They Want to Be Heard. Before we reveal. Number 3. Fluance RT81 Elite. If you're ready to turn your living room into a mini concert hall, the Fluance RT81 Elite turntable is your ticket to vinyl paradise. This isn't just any turntable. It's a high-fidelity experience wrapped in a stunning walnut finish that'll make your friends green with envy. With its belt-driven design and an S-type tone arm that cradles the stylus like a gentle hug, you'll get every note served up with the clarity of a front-row seat at your favorite show. Crafted from high-mass medium-density fiberboard wood to keep those pesky vibrations at bay, this turntable stands proud with isolation feet and an aluminum platter that say, "Let me deliver the music." Forget about a boring audio setup. The built-in Texas Instruments preamp and gold-plated Radio Corporation of America line outputs are here to invite you to dance like nobody is watching, whether you're in your pajamas or not. Plus, it comes with a dust cover and a 45 revolutions per minute adapter, so you can focus on sinking into those sonic waves without tripping over the techie details. Your vinyl collection deserves the royal treatment, and the Fluance RT81 Elite is ready to serve every note and nuance. Get ready to reacquaint yourself with old favorites, as each spin is a delightful reminder of why vinyl never goes out of style. Experience music like you've never heard before. Because let's be honest, you deserve it. Number 4. Angel's Horn H019. If you're set to amplify your vinyl adventures, the Angel's Horn H019 is your ticket to a sound experience that's as stylish as it is sonic. This all-in-one retro Bluetooth turntable is like that cool friend who shows up with the best playlist and a killer sense of style. With Bluetooth 5, You can ditch the tangled wires and let your phone mingle with your turntable. Want to pump up your dance party or enjoy some mellow vibes at home? The HO19's 4 built-in speakers are ready to deliver high-fidelity sound that'll have you grooving or relaxing in no time. Feeling social? Plug in an external speaker with an Radio Corporation of America cable and watch the good times roll. Switching between 33 and A3 and 45 revolutions per minute speeds is smoother than your dance moves thanks to the belt drive system and DC servo motor. Each vinyl, whether it's a classic 12 inches or a funky 7-in, gets the royal treatment. The precision at 3600L cartridge ensures that every note rings true, while the adjustable counterweight makes distortion a thing of the past. Crafted from a chic fusion of wood and metal, the Angel's Horn N19 doesn't just sound amazing, it looks good doing it. So, treat yourself or surprise the music lover in your life with this turntable. They'll be singing your praises. Still searching for the perfect turntable? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 5. Audio-Technica AT-LP60X-BK. If you're on the hunt for a budget-friendly turntable that doesn't skimp on sound quality, look no further than the Audio-Technica AT-LP60X-BK. Little gem is your ticket to the rich, warm embrace of vinyl without breaking the bank. With a maximum rotational speed of 45 revolutions per minute, this sleek black beauty is ready to spin your favorite records. Whether it's a classic rock album or the latest indie sensation, it's fully automatic, which means you can kick back and let the turntable do the heavy lifting. Just press play and let the music wash over you. Equipped with an integral dual-magnet phono cartridge featuring a replaceable diamond stylus, you're not just playing records, you're unlocking their hidden treasures. Want to shift from phono to line-level output? No problem. Thanks to the built-in switchable phono preamplifier, you have options galore. The anti-resonance die-cast aluminum platter keeps the vibrations at bay, while the redesigned tone arm base and head shell improve tracking and further reduce resonance. Your records deserve the VIP treatment after all. And when the party's over, cleanup is a breeze. Weighing in at a lightweight 8.1 pounds and made of durable plastic, you can easily move it around without hassle. So, dust off those vinyls and get ready to relive the magic. The Audio-Technica AT-LP60X-BK is here to elevate your listening experience one groove at a time.